Welcome everybody. This is Milansoccer1313 bringing you box break number 474. As always, before we begin, we start off by showing you the local time here in Toronto. It is now 11:11 p.m. my friends. That means we are 11 minutes after Winnipeg would have sold on Monday, April 4th, and we are ready to go. For one box of Upper Deck Series 1, this happens to be case number 3, box 9, 10, 11, and 12. Are all up for Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday with their associated serial numbers listed in the description. Speaking of the serial numbers, if you open up your description, you'll see that it is box 9 of 12, and that serial number is listed in your description, and we will be sure to show that before we open up the box. If you haven't already, please subscribe to 1313 Milan Soccer on YouTube. If not, it's okay. I always send the YouTube link via eBay messaging. Now there's some new guys with me. We're going to go over the rules really quickly before we get started. Okay, let's pick on Ethan Bada. He's a great guy, and in this case, he owns the Florida Panthers. I'm going to open up this box. There's 24 packs. Each pack generally contains one hit. Some packs, very rarely, that they don't have a hit. But for this case, let's figure it out that every pack has a hit. I set those hits aside. Those are the cards that get mailed out. If there are any Florida Panther cards, I'm going to package them up and mail them to Ethan Bada to his shipping address on eBay. In the unfortunate event, however, that there are no Florida Panther cards, I'm still going to mark it as shipped on eBay. However, nothing physically is going to be mailed to Ethan Bada, but there's nothing to mail. That's how Box Breaks works. I know he paid 50 cents shipping for his team, but that is a small collection from everybody for amount of postage, product, and packaging that needs to go with Upper Deck Series 1. Okay, and if he does have a hit coming to him, please make sure your eBay address is up to date, your shipping address, because that's what I use, and your cards will always arrive in a timely manner. Please email me if you have any questions. Let's get to it. 44, Mishmish owns the Flames and the Sharks. Anto Bada has the Bruins and the Ottawa Senators. Ethan Bada has the Florida Panthers. Beefneck has the Canadiens. BR245 has the Coyotes and the Hurricanes. Celtic has the Blues. Gayaka has the Rangers. Hockey MC3 has the Avalanche, the Oilers, the Kings, the Devils, the Islanders, and the Pittsburgh Penguins. Hoser has the Sabres and the Red Wings. Infern has the Flyers. Mike Lawson has the Wild. Religion's Futile has the Jackets. Slim Mix has the Capitals and the Jets. Super Pop has the Lightning and the Vancouver Canucks. Tattoo the Plane has the Leafs and the Golden Knights. Trevor Heff has the Blackhawks and the Stars. And Bill67 has the Ducks and the Predators. Seattle is not ready for Series 1. I just have it prepared for when we do Series 2. All right. 659-308 as I bring you guys over to the webcam. 659-308 as promised, as advertised, and now being delivered. Just going to make sure all systems go. Looks like we are. Recording. We are good to go. Good luck, everybody, on box number 9. Here we go. Great way to start off a Monday. Let's hope for some big hits. And I hope you guys nothing but the best. Our first hit is a 100% going to your New York Rangers, Adam Fox. Very good hockey player. Congratulations to the Rangers starting us off. It's always exciting to see what the case hit will be. Each box contains some sort of variant. Right off the hop, congratulations to the Montreal Canadiens. To the owner of the Montreal Canadiens, let me know if you want this tracked. Big hit, Cole Caulfield. Young Guns, Montreal. That is like out of the 3 cases, and they're not done yet. That is our 6th or 7th Young Gun out. Congratulations, guys. I'm really happy for you. Big hit. We have an Upper Deck canvas for Vancouver, Quinn Hughes. Upper deck canvas, Young Guns canvas, Oscar Steen for your Boston Bruins. What a box so far, and we're just starting. And that does not count as the box or case hit variant, because they just randomly insert those. We now have electromagnetic Sebastian Aho for your Carolina Hurricanes. A honor roll superstar, Ryan O'Reilly, for your St. Louis Blues. Young Guns, Jack Ashen for your Boston Bruins. Not bad. Congratulations to Boston. Patrick Kane, Upper Deck Portraits for your Chicago Blackhawks. Rookie Retrospective, Igor Saragonovich for your New Jersey Devils. Young Guns, Parker Kelly for your Ottawa Senators. Just going to hit the cursor and go down one. Watch the Leafs play tonight. They had a fantastic game. Matthews with a hat trick. Pretty good. And there is the box case hit. Wow. Black Young Guns canvas. Alex Barr-Boulay for your Tampa Bay Lightning. Black Young Gun canvas. Very nice card. The case hit seems to be a monster, this box. What a box. Here's our Blue Dazzler of Kirill Kaprizov. Not bad for your Minnesota Wild. Young Guns, Jacob Bryson for your Buffalo Sabres. And we have a gold superstar honor roll for Alexander Barkov and your Florida Panthers. Very nice. They gave us 2 case hits. Oh, it's numbered out of 25. I didn't see that. 12 out of 25. Congratulations, Florida. That is a nice card. And again, this box just keeps getting better and better. Canvas, Chris Letang for your Pittsburgh Penguins. Upper Deck Canvas, Dougie Hamilton for your Carolina Hurricanes. Oh, it felt like it was a thicker card. Rocking the Hartford Whaler uniform. Congratulations, Carolina. Nice, I love those Hartford Whaler cards. Back in the day. I love their uniform. Electromagnetic Nikita Kucherov, who played tonight against the Leafs. He's back. Congratulations, Tampa Bay. Debut dates, Condre Miller for your New York Rangers. John Carlson, honor roll for your Washington Caps. Alex Lafreniere for your New York Rangers, Upper Deck Portraits. Just going to hit the cursor. Oh, it looks like we've lost focus here. There we go. Yeah, the last card in every pack is dinged, but lucky they put the hit in the middle. Alex Pietrangelo for your Vegas Golden Knights, 100%. Lost focus again. Come on. There we go. Kyle Burrows, French variation young gun. Oh my. Congratulations to the Colorado Avalanche, picking up a variant Francais of Kyle Burrows. Still 2 packs to go. What else do they have in store? That's a 9 young gun box. Daniel Walcott, young guns. I think we hit the other variation of this, the black canvas one. Congratulations to Tampa Bay once again. Final pack, and as always, we will show who owns the last hit. That's how we close off our breaks, and we show the time here in Toronto. We end with another young gun, Jeffrey Veal, for your San Jose Sharks. Congratulations, San Jose. So, as always, we're going to bring you back to the screen, the desktop. Find who owns San Jose. In this case, it's really easy. It's right at the top here. 44 Mish 44 owns San Jose. Congratulations on that hit. And we sign off with the local time. We have to hit refresh here in Toronto. It is now 11:24 p.m., my friends. Thank you. That was box 9. Boxes 10, 11, 12 to finish off this case go this week. Let's hope to see you then. Thanks, guys.